Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll briefly explain what log collection is and how you may collect this information from remote machines using this feature. Log collection is carried out on devices that have software agents, either on Linux or Windows systems, and consists of collecting and also allowing us to see in a single console view the log information from multiple sources that you wish to capture, organizing this information sequentially and using the timestamp in which said logs were processed. To carry out this log collection, it is necessary to previously have a properly configured and operating OpenSearch server to which you have access through the network. Next, enable log collection in Pandora FMS. Go to Configuration Management, Configuration Enterprise, and enable the option Activate the Log Collector. Then click on the Log Collector tab that will appear as a new option and fill in the fields with the information from your OpenSearch server, including the IP address, the port, the HTTPS configuration, the number of logs to display, and the maximum number of days to store logs. If credentials are used, we provide a username and password. After completing the setup, click Update. If authentication with the OpenSearch server was successful, a green circle will appear, indicating that the OpenSearch server is running and the connection was successfully established. Additionally, enable the Pandora syslog server in Pandora FMS server settings. For log retrieval in software agents, we use a plugin that allows to carry out said retrieval, allowing its display in the log viewer. However, as of software agent version 7.74, a local module has been implemented for the same purpose. To see the data collected from the system, go to Operation Monitoring Log Viewer. By using filters, you may select the specific source of the logs you want to see. With the configuration of this video, log information is collected from both Pandora FMS server and the software agent. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.